So we all know how to cook a pasta salad, but this pasta salad is super special. We're using beautiful durum wheat San Remo Bowtie Pasta as our star of the show. But then what makes it really beautiful is also not just your normal everyday, it's gonna have wood roasted salmon in it as well. First, we're just gonna prepare a really easy, fresh, simple, kind of, I guess you'd call it a salad dressing, but we're using some great pot set Jalna yogurt. I love the Jalna because it's so thick and creamy. It's perfect for this type of recipe. And you don't just think of yogurt as being for breakfast or anything like that. So we're gonna have the yogurt, give it a good mix, get it nice and smooth. And then I'm just gonna add some lemon juice to that. And work that in. So the lemon juice is really nice because it'll help cut the richness of the wood roasted salmon, but then it's also gonna be paired perfectly with the salmon as well. Some dill. Just get that in there, put a lot, give it a good mix. Okay, dill's in, I'm just gonna season it up now. Just when you're seasoning, just remember how much you're seasoning for. So we're not actually seasoning just the dressing, we're seasoning the pasta as well. So season accordingly. All right, give it a mix. And now we can just go that straight into the cooked pasta, and then we'll crumble in our salmon afterwards. So go straight in. Give it a mix. There we go. Pasta is nicely coated with our dressing. Now we're going in for the salmon. So you can just remove the skin, super easy. And I'm just going to flake those beautiful pieces in. It smells so delicious. That's just gonna go straight through this salad. Just give it such a beautiful taste. You can already smell it. Okay, I'm gonna leave a little bit to sprinkle on the top. Grab our serving plate. And this step, it's kind of like with making really any salad, right when you've got everything in, all you want to do is give it 1 or 2 tosses and serve it up. You don't want to be there mixing and bruising and bashing it and making it all turn the same color. You want a bit of contrast in the salads, texture and color. And so just give it a couple of tosses, serve it up. 1, 2, that's it. And serve it up. So many times when I see people make like a beetroot salad or a salad using seafood, and they just kind of do that final toss and then it just all looks the same. So once we've got it all in the bowl, like I said, let's take a little bit of reserved, beautiful blackened spice on the top. And that salmon is on. Maybe I might just finish it. A bit more lemon. I'm actually going to use the lemon zest. This adds an awesome color. Beautiful burst. Citrus freshness when you give that a toss. A little bit more sea salt. And for good measure, And there is our bow tie pasta salad with wood roasted salmon.